Hey everyone, today we are putting two powerhouse photo editing programs head to head, DxO PhotoLab versus Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on both programs. They're actually designed for very different purposes, so let's go category by category and see how they stack up. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow or if you need both. Let's start with the foundation of photography raw processing. DxO PhotoLab is built specifically for this, and honestly it shows. Their rendering is incredibly natural and film-like, colors have this organic quality, tonal transitions are smooth, and images just have this life to them straight out of the gate. It's what PhotoLab was designed to do, and it does it beautifully. Photoshop uses Camera Raw for raw processing, and while it's functional, it's not really optimized for this task. The results can feel a bit more digital, and you often need to work harder to get that natural polished look. Camera Raw is decent, but it's playing catch up to these dedicated raw processors. Winner for raw processing, DxO PhotoLab. If you care about getting the absolute best image quality from your raw files with minimal effort, this is where PhotoLab really shines. Now let's talk about lens corrections, distortion, vignetting, chromatic aberration, and all that fun stuff. DxO PhotoLab has this incredible database where they actually tested thousands of lens and camera combinations in their lab. So this is real empirical data where you import a photo, PhotoLab recognizes your camera and lens and automatically applies corrections based on that specific pairing. Distortion, gone. Vignetting, it's also fixed. Chromatic aberration, cleaned up. And these aren't generic fixes, they're tailored to your exact gear. Photoshop doesn't have a built-in lens database like this. You're relying on Adobe's lens profiles, which are more generic and can be incomplete. You'll often need to manually tweak corrections or find third-party profiles. It works, but it requires more hands-on effort. So the winner for this one is DxO PhotoLab. The automatic camera-specific corrections save a ton of time and deliver more accurate results. If you shoot in low light or push your ISO, noise reduction is crucial. DxO PhotoLab has Prime and DeepPRIME noise reduction built right in, and they're honestly some of the best denoising tools out there. DeepPRIME keeps detail while scrubbing away noise in a way that looks clean and natural. High ISO shots that would normally be unusable, PhotoLab brings them back to life. Photoshop's basic noise reduction is Camera Raw. It's okay, but to get results compared to DeepPRIME, you need to buy additional plugins like Topaz Denoise or ON1 No Noise AI. So that's extra money and extra steps. So the winner for this one is again DxO PhotoLab. Having professional grade noise reduction included is a huge advantage. Let's talk about making targeted edits to specific parts of your image. DxO PhotoLab uses U-point technology. You drop a control point on the area you want to adjust, tweak your sliders, and PhotoLab intelligently finds similar colors and tones around that point. So there is no manual masking required. It's fast, it's intuitive, and for most photography jobs, it gets the job done quickly. There is a bit of a learning curve if you are coming from a layers-based workflow, but once you get it, it's really efficient. Photoshop gives you the full toolkit: layer masks, selection tools, adjustment layers, blending modes. You have ultimate precision and control. Want to mask out a complex object, feather edges perfectly, blend multiple adjustments, Photoshop got you covered. But it takes more time and more manual work. The winner, it depends. For quick photography specific adjustments, DxO PhotoLab. For complex pixel perfect control, Photoshop. Now here's where things shift dramatically. DxO PhotoLab is a photo processor and not a pixel level editor. You can do compositing, advanced retouching, content warfare, or graphic design. If you want to remove a person from a background, swap a sky with a complex selections, add text and graphics, PhotoLab isn't built for that. It's focused on making your photos look amazing and not creating entirely new images. Photoshop is the undisputed king here. Layers, cloning, healing, content aware fill tools, filters, effects. If you can imagine it, Photoshop can do it. And compositing multiple images, beauty retouching, creating digital art, designing posters, this is Photoshop's playground. It's the industry standard for a reason. So the winner in this one is Photoshop, and there is no contest here. For creative manipulation and advanced editing, nothing else comes close. Let's talk about the day-to-day workflow. DxO PhotoLab is laser focused on photography. The interface isn't cluttered with tools you don't need. Batch processing is excellent. perfect for weddings, events, or any situation where you're processing hundreds of similar photos. Apply your corrections once and let PhotoLab handle the rest. For pure photo processing, it's streamlined and efficient, and Photoshop is a general purpose tool, which means basic photography tasks can require more steps. It's not optimized for batch processing photos the way dedicated software is. And because it does everything, the interface can feel overwhelming if all you want to do is process some raw files. So the winner for this one is DxO PhotoLab for photography workflow efficiency. Finally, let's talk money. DxO PhotoLab offers a perpetual license option. Pay once and own it forever, no monthly fees. They also have upgrade pricing for new versions. If you hate subscriptions, this is refreshing. Photoshop requires a Creative Cloud subscription. You're paying monthly whether you use it every day or once a month, though you do get access to other Adobe apps and regular updates. So the winner is a personal preference. If you hate subscriptions, then you go to PhotoLab. Already in the Adobe ecosystem or need multiple apps, Photoshop's subscription makes sense. So who wins the DxO PhotoLab versus Photoshop showdown? Here's the truth, they're built for different jobs. Pick DxO PhotoLab if you want the absolute best raw processing quality, automatic lens corrections, powerful noise reduction, and an efficient workflow for processing photos. It's purpose-built for photographers who want stunning results with less manual work. Choose Photoshop if you need advanced retouching, compositing, graphic design, or creative manipulation beyond basic photo processing. But here's what I personally would recommend for serious photographers. Use them both. Process your RAW files in PhotoLab to get incredible image quality with minimal effort, then jump into Photoshop when you need those advanced editing capabilities. PhotoLab gets you 90% of the way there on autopilot, and Photoshop handles the final 10% when you need surgical precision. You can try DxO PhotoLab for free. Check the link in the description of the video. Test it with your own RAW files and see the difference yourself. What do you use in your workflow? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.